Okay, that means that along with the table creation, we applied constraints. And now we will see how to add constraints on existing table. Okay, how to add constraints on existing table. So that means first we are going to be created your constraint, guys. After created table, after created table, then later I will be applied what we can say, guys, here constraints and one by one column. Okay, now so in the previous class, how we was discussed means when you create a table, along with the table we are going for, or we are going to created or applied your constraints. But here, after table is created, then how we can apply your constraints on your existing table columns, right? Now, so let me see, guys, here one by one we can go to check out here. How to add constraint on an existing table. Okay, so if you want to add constraints on existing table, then we have a syntax here. The syntax is alter table, table name, add constraint, and here I want to send my constraint key name. Okay, and after that I need to apply constant type on your column name. Okay, guys, this is what we called as how to add your constraints on existing table. Okay, right. And now let me see one by one. I will go for to use by taking off the syntax alter table, table name, add constant is a predefined statement, and constant key name. So every constant, when you apply your compulsory key name, that means it is called as a constant identity. You should give it, and later constant type on which column you want to apply your constraint. The column name also you can give it now, right? Now, so let you come back. Okay, right. First, I want to select MyDB 6 p.m. The first one, I want to create a sample table, guys. So create table. Suppose in table name I was given parent. So EID integer. So E name varchar of some size, and salary was money, and age was 20. So this is one column we designed, guys, here, but I'm not using any constraint on this column, just a table, normal table we created. Okay, after created this table, let you come back your MyDB 6 PM database to refresh now, and later you can see parent table. So this parent table, once you want to expand now, so yes, see, columns are there, but there is no constants on these columns. And here, primary key, foreign key, okay, unique key not applied, and the check constant, default constant, anything was not available. Okay, so keys and constants both are here, empty folders are showing this. Okay, right. And now let me see one by one. I'm going to adding now. So one by one constant I'm adding. The first constant I'm going to adding here primary key. So I want to add here primary key, the first one. Okay. So primary key constant. Okay. So when I was suppose I choose here EID column, I'm choosing now on this EID column, I need to apply primary key, right? So, but here we all of you know this primary key constant is not allowed duplicates as well as nulls. Okay. Duplicates and nulls are not allowed. So now if I want to call my table, okay, so my table is parent, okay, permission, so nothing problem to me on EID column. But here you can every column, can you see this? By default, every column is accepting null. So that is a default nature of your constant. It is a default nature of your constant, right? Right. So, but primary key go to apply on the column. Okay. So EID column is not data, but EID is saying that null is accepted here. So that's why what it was happening, guys, here. When you want to apply primary key on a particular column directly when you apply, so this kind of problem is facing. So what is the problem here? Observe. Suppose I'm going to adding alter table name, add constant key type eid underscore pk. So any name constant key name should be give any name, you can give it as your wish, xyz abc or your names, anything you have to give, but this is just an identification number, easy to understanding purpose only we are giving. Right now later I'm applying here primary key of eid column. But what it was happening, you can see when I directly apply my primary key constant. So now it was saying that cannot define primary key constant on nullable column in the table. So I think the point is clear now. So nullable column. So the because EID column, okay, EID column by default null is accepted. Yes or no? Can you see EID column by default accepting null? But your primary key constant is not applied on nullable column. On nullable column. Okay, now. So now this is a problem. So that's what we want to do before you want to add your primary key constant. Before you want to add your primary key constant. So first we need to make it null to not null. To make it a null to not null. So how to convert null to not null? How to convert null to not null? Okay. So this is how we can do it. Small syntax is there. The syntax is alter table name, and here I'm using the keyword is what now, alter table name, and alter column. Okay, and later I want to pass here column name. Later I want to pass here column name and pass your data type. Data type size is required size and make it not null. So this is how to convert null to not null, the syntax is. So first of all, my column should be make it not null, and later I have to do. Okay, right. Let you come back here. First I have to do table name, alter column. Suppose which column EID integer type, what I want to make it not null. So now I'm going to execute this one first of all. Command is successfully done. And after come to your columns, just I'm going to refresh here. So I'm going to refreshing now. After refresh, can you see your EID column is converting as a not null. EID column is converting not null. So after making not null, then you have to apply primary key. Now primary key successfully allowed. So primary key is allowed or not, you can check. So I just refresh my columns and see yes. So your primary key symbol and primary key is added. And whatever the key name I was given, the key name you can see in the keys folder. So that is called what I was given. Yes, EID, this constant identity. So EID PK, so which was given by user at the time of constant viewpoint. So that is called a constant identity, we call identity name, we call it. Okay, now, right. So now later, this is what primary key apply. Same like this guy. Now we can apply one by one. Now I'm going to apply next constant is what now. For example, unique. So I'm going to adding now. Okay, so one of the constant is what now? Okay, so unique. Now unique, I want to apply on another column. So alter table and the table name, parent, add constant, and on e name I'm applying here e name UK. So here, okay, key name must be give it. Without the key name you can't add your primary key, right? So this is must be give it. Okay, right. And later we should give unique on e name. Okay, let you see to execute it now. Yes, it is also adding. So now we can see two keys here to refresh now. So yes, ename underscore UQ. So unique key is also successful we had. After that, to check constant. So check constant, you can see add constant HK CHK, and now I want to pass here salary is greater than 8,000 rupees. Okay, now I just executed. Now this is also successfully adding, and whether it is adding or not, let you go for constants folder, you can see, and to open. So salary, okay, salary CHK constant is added. The same to same, next one is going to add, okay, default constant I need to add. But when you are adding default, some little bit syntax will be different, guys, here. Okay, little bit difference was there. So syntax to add default constraint. Okay, now so here little bit syntax will be different, guys, here. Alter table name, add constraint, and here I want to send my constraint key name, constraint key name, and after that we are going to be applying here default constant, and later we send some value default and sending some value. Okay, default and sending some value. And after adding default value, for which column are you applied here? So that is for column name. To which column name are you assigning your default value? Okay, now so that is compulsory should be taken now. Right. So this is okay. The little bit change here syntax when you want to add your default constraint. Okay, so this in little bit difference was there. Now as it is, let you come out, guys, here. Now I'm adding alter table name parent, add constant. I'm adding on age underscore default, then default, for example, 30 years for which column? Age column. So now I just executed. That's okay. And refresh your constants folder. So the age df, that means the default constant is also successfully be applied. So as of now, we applied all constants we applied here except the foreign key. So how to apply not null constant? We apply how to apply primary key. So two constant. How to apply unique constant? How to apply check constant? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, and default. 5 constants are we checked out. And later the next constant is what now? Foreign. Okay, the next constant is what now? Foreign. So foreign key constant, how we can apply now? Okay, right. So first of all, for adding the foreign key purpose, first I have to create one child table. I'm creating here. My table name is also child, And here I will take a department name. So varchar of some size and EID column, because EID is a primary key column, yes or no? So that's why I'm taking EID column is a common column for this table, right? And after table creation, yes, let you go for to add your foreign key. But before you want to add your foreign key, a little bit syntax will be different. So what is the syntax to adding your foreign key constraint? Okay, let you see guys. Alter table, table name, add constraint is a predefined statement. Okay, so constraint key name, and after that we have to apply your foreign key of what is your common column. The common column you have to take here, and taking references from which table? Parent table. So parent table name, parent table name of a common column. So common column of parent table. Okay, this is common column of a child table. Child table. Okay, so without any confusion, you can direct. So reference parent common column of parent table. So after taking reference common column of parent table, later you can apply your cascade rules. That's your wish. You can apply on update cascade. Okay. Otherwise on delete cascade. Okay. Or else okay you can apply on update set null. Okay. So we can apply on delete set null. Okay. Anyone as your wish you can apply. Right. So this is complete syntax of a foreign key guys. How we can go to add. Let you come out and see. So now I just go to add alter table, table name is child. So add constraint key name. Suppose AID is underscore FK. Okay. So and later I want to apply here foreign key of common column is a EID column. Common column is a EID column. Okay. And we taking references. We taking references. We taking references. One second, guys. Okay, right, guys. So taking references, so we are taking references from parent table. So parent table name is parent, okay, and the common column is EID, guys, here. And suppose if you need to apply your cascade rules here, okay, so any two cascade rules combination you can apply, either on delete cascade, otherwise a one on update cascade, and set null cascade you can apply. So any one you wish. Suppose I just apply here on update cascade, and I can apply here on delete cascade. Okay, now so along with this, now I'm going to executing now. So command completed successful, and let you come back here. So now your child table, if you come back and see, I just refresh my tables, guys. So child is created, and go for your column, and foreign key I was applied on EID. So can you see the key symbol was there on this EID, and later open your key, the foreign key was applied. Okay, now. So after applying these all constants on your tables, let me see, guys, here these are working or not. Okay, let you test now. So I'm going to testing these all constant one by one. Okay, first of all, this is our table, EMP table. Sorry. So one of my table is what now? Parent, and one of my table is a child. Okay, right. These are the two things are there, but there is no information in the parent and the child. Let you see, I'm inserting into parent table one by one. Let you check out here. Insert into parent, sending values of, so ID 1021. So name is Sai. Okay, and the salary I'm giving here. So 8,000 condition is 8,000 I was given, but if I'm giving 7,500 and age was 25. So here, when I want to send this, the problem is what now? Every column value is satisfied here, but the salary is not satisfied, because the salary column, salary, how much I was given the check constraint, your salary must and should be greater than 8,000 rupees. Okay, now. So that's why what it was happened in this, which is not satisfied, means salary column is not satisfied, and let you see to execute. Now it will be taking out. See, the insert statement is a conflicted with the check constraint, and check constraint key name. Can you see? Key name is my own key name I was given, user defined, my own salary underscore check. This is my key name. Yes or no? And the conflict occurred in the database MyDB 6 p.m. parent table salary column. Okay, no? So the point is clear now. So this is, so now it is not allowed. So that means compulsory more than 8,000 I have to give. Now all are satisfied here. Now to execute it now. So your parent table, let you see, successfully inserted here. Okay, but in the second case, if I'm going to applying here, okay, suppose I'm going to adding here 1021. Okay, the name I'm going to passing here, another name is Adams, and the salary was 9,500 and the age was 23. So let you see to execute this one. 1021 already existing in my EID column, and same duplicate data I'm inserting now. But when I'm inserting duplicate data, it was going to be showing primary key problem, and it's a clear information was given, guys. So violation of primary key constraint for PK. This is my key name, whatever I was given. Cannot insert duplicate key in the parent. Okay, now the duplicate key value is 102, right? So this is what it was going to be happen. Clear? And same to same, if I want to in place of this, okay, in place of this, where it is here. Okay, so now suppose here I will be change 1022, but here the name is again I'm passing Sai, and let you see to execute it now. Okay, so e name underscore unique key constant is violated. Okay, now so like this I have to change here. So items. So now, okay, we are going to be sending these are all the things, and okay, fine. The second row is going to be inserted successfully. And later, suppose if you want to send here, okay, like this, you can insert your data, guys, here. So do this. Okay, so now in the next one is what now? Suppose if I want to send here, okay, insert into, okay, So parent of some EID column, comma, ename column, comma, salary column. And one column is the left. Okay, one column is left. And we all of you know which column is left. That was by default null is taken. But now I was applied default value na. I'm passing here for 12,000. But I didn't pass age column. But default age, how much I was given, guys, here? 30. So in place of null, it was taking what now? 30. So now age 30 was taken. Okay. So these all the things are happening. In the same to same, okay, this is parent table information. We have it. In the same to same child, if I want to insert data into child, so into child, okay, sending values are, okay. So now department name, for example, D1 and 1021 is allowed or not? Yes. And like this, department number D2 and 1021, it is also allowed. And next, department number D3 and 1022, it is also allowed. So like this, you can insert all the things 1022, 21 and 23. These are all are allowed into child table because of reason. These are all are having in the parent table. These are all are referenced values into parent table. So all are accepted. But the case is what it is now, guys. Here, suppose user inserting now. Insert into child. Okay. Sending values. Suppose the D number 4 and now 1024 I'm giving. But unfortunately 1024 is not there in the parent table. So child is not allowed. Child is not allowed. Okay. Now? So now what it was telling guys here, the insert statement is conflicted foreign key EID underscore FK conflicate is occurred parent. Okay. Now? So now that's why can you see the 1024 record is not inserted into your child, is not inserted into your child, right? So it is not allowed. Okay, because it is not a reference value. Later, if you want to do updation, suppose update which table, the parent table set. Now later I will be pass it here. So set EID na. So EID is equals to 1, where EID is equals to 1021. So it will be updated now successfully. But on delete update cascade is applied na. So on update cascade apply. So that's what it was happening. Your parent table 1021 is converting into 1, as well as child also converting as 1. Okay now. So this is going to be happening. Right. In the next one is okay, a delete command. So delete from parent. Okay, so where EID is equals to 1022 I'm inserting. So when I deleted this one, yes, of course, parent is deleted as usual. Your child also deleted. Now we can see the child is also deleted or not. So parent deleted as usual, child also deleted. So that means complete the foreign key, primary key, unique, not null, check, default, all constants are working on these tables, right? Now, this is the way how the constants are adding on your existing table. And later on, next one is what now? How we was adding here the same to same, how to drop a constraint from an existing table, from an existing table. Okay, right. So the syntax is observed, guys. The syntax is alter table, and I need to pass table name and your drop keyword, drop constraint, and later you have to send constraint key name. Okay, now. So the key name will be helping us now. Clear? And now let you come out and see, guys, here. Now I want to drop here one by one constraint is going to be dropped. So same as it is, okay, I'm dropping here with all constant. For example, if I want to drop here primary key. So whenever we want to drop primary key, here very important thing is subject. So when you directly drop your primary key, guys, here, okay, suppose I'm writing like alter table name is parent, and the drop, what I'm going to drop in here, constant key is what now, eid underscore pk. But when we want to drop like this here to execute this one, it was not dropping. Why? Because primary key is having relationship with the child table. So that's why the constant eid underscore pk is being referenced by table child. Okay, foreign key constant eid. So that's why whenever primary key is having relationship with the foreign key, then first foreign key drop, then primary key only dropping. Okay, now if there is a no relation, primary key is not having any relation, then you can directly drop like this. Okay, now but having foreign key relation, definitely first we have to drop alter table. Okay, the table name child, and I'm using drop constant. So first I have to apply eid underscore fk. So first we need to drop foreign key, and let you see guys here. So foreign key columns, I just refresh now. So key is avoided, and here also key folder. Now they see key foreign key from the child table, foreign key is dropping. Okay, and after dropping child table, then only possible to drop your parent key, and parent key where it is here, but still it was having my keys, it was there here in the table. Okay, now so constants also there. So now let you see second one, I am executing. Yes, so now primary key is successfully dropped. Now let you see to refresh your columns. Okay, so it is refresh, and here also key was refresh and key also drop. So like this remaining constants also you can use guys here. Okay, alter table, the table name is parent, drop constant and e name underscore uq. Suppose I just executed this one, so unique constant also successfully we drop. I just refresh my keys. Okay, so drop. So in the same to same, let you go for to drop here. Okay, and the next key, suppose I'm passing here salary underscore chk. I executed now, so this is also successfully dropped. Let you refresh now the constant folder, so check is dropped. In the same to same, I want to go for to drop your age underscore df. If I drop, okay, so this is also default is also dropping. Okay, so all constants are dropped. But here not null is there now, not null. Suppose this not null, you have to make it a null. You have to make it a null. Then what you want to do, same syntax. What is the syntax I was given here? What is the syntax I was given making not null? Yes, so same syntax, but now not null is there, that I want to convert as a null. So now just pass it null, same, so remaining all syntaxes and make it a null. Now we can come out eid column. Now refresh your eid columns, refresh now and see your eid column again null is come out. Again null is come out. Okay, now so these are guys here how the constants are we are adding as well as we are going to be drop. Okay, now so these are complete constants guys, okay, in our SQL server, and how to use this constant to restricted unwanted data into your table, right? Okay, and I stop it here, and tomorrow guys here we will see one more new concept in your SQL. Okay, in your SQL part of SQL server. So, and this is today the complete constants notes, that means main notes my people are uploading into your Google Classroom. Okay, so after class you can go and check it, right guys? And tomorrow with the new concept we will be going. Thank you guys, thank you so much.